back to another episode of Fox 40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be doing our tailgate edition. Welcome to the outside. Today on Fox 40 Foodies, we'll be doing a tailgate edition starring our loaded baked beans. Here we have our baked beans. Guys, we're keeping the meal under $30 today. We're gonna start with our sides. We have a smoked macaroni and cheese. We have a baked bean. We have grilled corn and also grilled vegetables. On our baked beans, we have 2 cans of our 16-ounce baked beans cooked with a little breakfast sausage and 1 pound of ground beef, all incorporated with some sauteed bell peppers and onions. We got our green beans we prepped last night ready for the grill today. Each of these will take 30 minutes each, so once you put them on the grill at the same time, they'll come out both ready. In this dish, I started with 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of Italian sausage here. I had 1 ounce of our honey mustard, 1 ounce of our brown sugar, 1 ounce of our white sugar. And we mixed this all in after I cooked the meat with our sauteed vegetables. I put it all together, mixed it up, and then I put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. So 2 cans of beans was about $3 a piece. Ground beef was about $4, and Italian sausage was about $4. Kept this dish up under 15 bucks. Feeds about 5 to 6 people, great for a family picnic, a Sunday evening on the outside. But all this was found right at the Piggly Wiggly. And here you have it, our loaded baked beans off the grill. Now next week we'll have our fresh grilled vegetables that's marinated overnight and prepared and ready for the grill the next day. You can find all of this and the full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.